Hi, our video today is about temporary tattoos, also known as tattoo paper. There are two different types of tattoo paper depending on the printer used: inkjet tattoos and laser tattoos. You would also find them in different colors, clear and white. As some of these options can throw you off, I would like to share with you some tips as to how to remove them and what is the best option and so on. What is a tattoo paper? Unlike the real conventional tattoo, which cuts open the skin to have the color and the shape permanently ingrained, try the temporary tattoo, which can be removed later on. Tattoo paper package consists of adhesive sheets and printing papers where your favorite image of choice can be printed on with a printer. Difference between inkjet and laser tattoo paper. There is a slight difference between two products in terms of results and method. Inkjet tattoos have to be printed with inkjet printer and need to be dried after printing. Laser tattoos are printed with laser printer and requires no drying afterwards. The rest of the steps are the same as the inkjet. The results, however, are also slightly different. It really depends on the printers, but generally the inkjet printers print with a better color resolution than the laser ones. The laser tattoo paper are also less shiny as well. By using tattoo matte cream, you can effectively remove the gloss to create more natural look. Or you can also go for matte sunscreen. Difference between clear and white. The tattoo sticker will depend on the color of the adhesive sheet, whether it is clear or white. So with clear tattoos, the unprinted parts are see-through, which make them look more natural. Whereas with the white tattoos, the unprinted parts are white and the ink stands out more on the skin. The clear is generally preferred over the white to have more realistic looking tattoo. Can you draw your own design tattoo? Yes, you can hand draw your own tattoo sticker. Inkjet tattoo stickers have to be drawn with water-soluble inks and lasers with waterproof inks. The hand-drawn tattoos have a wide range of uses, on special occasions or parties, just to make it look more cool. This will also be your last resort if you simply cannot print. How to make the tattoo look more natural looking. You can reduce the gloss on the surface of the tattoo sticker with the tattoo matte cream and matte sunscreen. Less gloss would make it look more natural in a long run. Apply thin layer of the cream just like how you would apply cosmetics. The tattoos will look better as the days go by. Do not use the cream for inkjet tattoos. How long will the tattoos last? The tattoo stickers usually last for about a week and longer with minimal contact. How to remove the sticker. There are several ways to remove the sticker: by using baby oil, cleansing oil, rubbing alcohol, sticky tape or sellotape. Apply the matte cleansing oil on the tattoo sticker and wait for a minute or two. Rub well before removing it. You can also apply a copious amount of alcohol before removing the tattoo. Or you can use sticky tape for a quick removal. Is the sticker only for tattoos? Tattoo stickers can be applied on any surfaces. The adhesive sheet used with the sticker is in accordance with the FDA regulations, and as it poses no health risk, it is suitable for human skin. As the adhesive is quite strong, the sticker can be applied anywhere regardless of the surface condition, although it is not permanent. Thank you. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.